Hello friends, so I'm basically bringing you a video on what time frame you should trade in if you're doing swing trading. So now there are a couple of times that are available, right? We have the daily candle, we have the weekly candle, and we have the monthly candle as well, which is for super long trades. Like they'll literally go into months. But then we also have something like the 4 hour time frame. If you see here, is the 4 hour time frame, and we have the 1 hour time frame. So, what time frame should you deal in? What time frame should you go for if you're deciding to go in for swing trading? Now, it all depends on what sort of time do you have. Are you a working professional, or do you have a business, or are you self-employed? Are you doing something where you will not be able to stay in the market from 9:15 to 3:30? If you are not in a position to stay in the market and monitor your trade, then we should not probably be going in for a 1 hour time frame simply because there'll be fast action, although it may last a couple of days, but there could be a firm action there, and you may need to change things on the basis of the 1 hour candle movements. So, if you're basically a working professional, you cannot devote full time, you can basically have time to put in your pre-market orders, and then once your order is realized, you take 5 minutes to put in your stop loss and target, which is already decided. Then you should be either going for a 4 hour time frame, because the 4 hour time frame basically 2 4 hours basically overlaps into another day. So market starts at 9:15 in India, so 9:13:15 is one 4 hour candle, and the second candle, which is 13:15 to 15:30, will not even finish the 4 hours. Let me show you what I mean here. So if you see here, this candle is of 19 July, 9:15. It's a 4 hour candle, and the next candle is 13:15. So obviously it's not a 4 hour candle, but this is how it's shown. And what you have is here two candles or 1.5 candle has finished the day. 4 hour is slightly longer, and if you choose a 4 hour time frame, you need not give time to the market because 4 hours is a substantial time. For example, let's say you decided to enter here at the high of this candle because you saw that you've got good volume here, and you entered here at the high of this candle. And you kept your stop loss somewhere below the low of this candle or below the EMA 20. Then you did not have watched it because your order got fulfilled here, and you would have stayed here. And ultimately, if you did move your stop loss, you would have been taken out here in this candle. That's how it is. All trades are not profitable. Now, if you took a long here on the high of this candle because you saw that this is good volume up to 20-day volume, 20 candle volume, 4 hour candle volume, you would have entered here and your stop loss would be somewhere below the EMA 9, and you would still be in the trade. As you see, price has not come here, and even if you move the trade and stop loss somewhere here, below this consolidation somewhere here, you are still in the trade. So you may get taken out and make some money, or it may carry on. So you can either choose a 4 hours. Now, if you if you want your trades, if you think that the 4 hour candle is again not very stable in the sense that it doesn't capture the entire price action and could be subject to market volatility, you can always obviously choose the daily candle. So let's switch to the daily candle here. Now we have the daily candle here. This stock basically, if you see here, the stock is going up and down. Let's choose some other stock, somewhere where things. This stock is also, for example, let's say here, if you see this candle, you have good volumes here. You have definitely got good volume here, and if you decided the next day that before the market opened or after the market closed here, you have time, you come back from your job or your business, and you're looking at the charts and you find that this seems to be a good entry point. So you would basically place your buy order above the high of this candle, and you would basically put in your order here, and you would decide that whatever your stop loss is. Say for example, you already decided that your stop loss is somewhere below here, below the low of this candle, below EMA 9. So having decided your stop loss, basically you are here. So since you already decided, you put in your order, and let's say your order got filled here. So you are now in the trade, and you already know what your target is and what your SL is. So you have noted it down somewhere in your mobile or on a notepad, and all you need to do is just go into your mobile app, and once your order is executed, you obviously you will just need to look at it. You'll get a notification that this order is executed. All you need to do is put one cancels another, a stop loss and a target, whatever this target or some other target that you have in mind, or keep an open target, and you need not watch it every day. And if you see here, you're still in the trade. If you kept the stop loss and you didn't move it, you didn't trail it, you're still in the trade. And you bought it somewhere at 570, and now the price is 770. And although it's taken a couple of months, and normally swing traders won't wait that long, but still, uh, if you bought it somewhere here, you are still in the trade if your trailing SL hasn't been hit. So, and if you want, yeah, again, if you're a working professional, can't devote time, you can always go to weekly time frame. The only problem with the weekly time frame is your stop losses will be deeper, and your time frame to get your target or execute it will be a little longer. So I hope you got a good understanding of what time frame you should be using, and it all depends on your capacity to give time to the market, whether you're employed or you're a full-time trader. If you're a full-time trader, you can go in for 1 hour. They'll give you a couple short trades. 4 hours will give you a little longer trades, and day trade will give you even longer. Obviously, in the weekly will go into weeks, obviously, and and you can't enter the weekly in the middle of the week. You have to enter on a Monday, and then depends on when your SL gets taken out. Because if you enter in the middle of the week, the weekly candle hasn't completed, and you can't do your analysis properly. So, if you got good learning, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification so that you get notified of any new videos. If you have any questions on the material presented here, or if you want me to present a video on any topic, please let me know. Please comment in the section. I'll get back to you. Have a good trading session, and I'll see you in the next.